Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. We have an enhanced risk for severe weather today that encompasses extreme southeastern South Dakota, eastern Nebraska, western Iowa, and far northwestern Missouri. Cities in today's enhanced include Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Sioux City, Iowa, Castle Bluffs, Iowa, and Bellevue, Nebraska. We have a long slight risk area for today, that covers most of South Dakota, parts of Nebraska, north central Kansas, southwestern Minnesota, most of Iowa, northern Missouri, southern Wisconsin, northern Illinois, southern Michigan, northern Indiana, northern Ohio, far north central part of West Virginia, all of Pennsylvania, including me, northeastern Maryland, northern Delaware, most of New Jersey, most of New York State, including New York City and Long Island, western Connecticut, western Massachusetts, and far southwestern Vermont. Cities in today's slate include New York, Chicago, Illinois, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Detroit, Michigan, and Cleveland, Ohio. And areas in the dark green are in a marginal risk for severe weather today. The dark green areas are the marginal risk areas for today, alright? Cities in today's marginals include Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, Baltimore, Maryland, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and Washington, D.C. Going to today's tornado threat, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses far east central Wyoming, southern South Dakota, the northeastern half of Nebraska, and west central Iowa. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area today include Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Sioux City, Iowa, Rapid City, South Dakota, and Castle Bluffs, Iowa. So within this area, there could be a brief EF0, maybe brief EF1 tornado in there. Very weak generally, if any occur at all. Alright, going to today's wind threat, there is a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses far southeastern South Dakota, east central Nebraska, western Iowa, and far northwestern Missouri. The 30% wind risk area today includes Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Sioux City, Iowa, Castle Bluffs, Iowa, and Bellevue, Nebraska. We have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses most of South Dakota, parts of Nebraska, far north central Kansas, southwestern Minnesota, most of Iowa, northern Missouri, southern Wisconsin, northern Illinois, southern Michigan, northern Indiana, northern half of Ohio, the far north central part of West Virginia, all Pennsylvania, including my area, northeastern Maryland, northern Delaware, most of New Jersey, much of New York State, including New York City and Long Island, western Connecticut, western Massachusetts, and the very far extreme southwestern corner of Vermont. The 15% wind risk area today includes New York, Chicago, Illinois, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Detroit, Michigan, and Cleveland, Ohio. Areas in the brown are 5% wind risk areas for today. Alright, the brown areas are the 5% wind risk areas for today. Cities in the 5% wind risk areas today include Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, Baltimore, Maryland, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and Boston, Massachusetts. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 3 on the wind intensity index, alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts reaching or exceeding 74 miles per hour today from thunderstorms, alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts to reach or exceed 74 miles per hour today from thunderstorms, alright? Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 60 to 70 miles per hour, alright? Cities in the black dashed area today include Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Des Moines, Iowa, Sioux City, Iowa, and Waterloo, Iowa. And now going to the hail threat, there is a, really? Alright, there we go. there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses western and southern South Dakota, northern half of Nebraska pretty much, and much of Iowa. The 15% hail risk area today includes Omaha, Nebraska, Des Moines, Iowa, Sioux City, Iowa, Rapid City, South Dakota, and Council Bluffs, Iowa. There is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses eastern Montana, eastern Wyoming, most of North Dakota, much of South Dakota, parts of Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, parts of Kansas, the Oklahoma Panhandle, parts of the Texas Panhandle, northern Missouri, northern and eastern Iowa, most of Minnesota, most of Wisconsin, northern Illinois, and northwestern Indiana. The 5% hail risk area today includes Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, and Lincoln, Nebraska. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 2 on the hail intensity index, alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger today. Cities in the black dashed area today include, areas outside the black dashed area. Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly inch to 1.5 inches in diameter hail. But again, the 2-inch hail or larger is more likely to occur within the black dashed area. Cities in the black dashed area today include Omaha, Nebraska, Sioux City, Iowa, Rapid City, South Dakota, Council Bluffs, Iowa, and Fremont, Nebraska. So, in summary, scattered wind damage and large hail are expected from parts of Nebraska into Iowa. Oh, excuse me, sorry, didn't mean to belch. Sorry, that was my bad. Excuse me, sorry. Didn't mean to do that. Sorry. Sorry about that. My bad. Sorry. Anyway, I try not to belch on my recordings, but they happen once in a while. Sorry. It's gonna happen sometimes. So, but anyway, in summary, scattered wind damage and large hail are expected from parts of Nebraska and Iowa today. Isolated stratospheric storms are also possible, extending eastward from the northern Central Plains into the Midwest, Tennessee Valley, and Mid-Atlantic. So, that's your Day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas today. Stay safe in the affected areas today, no matter what risk you're in. Stay safe today, no matter what risk you're in, and I will have my Day 2 severe weather outlook this afternoon. Take care.